To add effects to a video in Canva, let's select the video document and choose a video size. I will go to the element tab to bring in a video I want to work with. Let me quickly click on video here and select any video of my choice. I will add my video and I'll also add another clip. To add effects to this video, you're going to select the clip you want to add effects to. I'm going to select this page, which is where I have my second video, and I will come to edit here, and I will come over to filters. I'll click on see all, and you see all those filter effects that you can add to your video. When I tap on this one, it changed how the video looked, and you can select a filter that works for you. I'm going to select this effect and I've applied it here, and I'm going to click on this one also and also apply the same thing. But if you want to add effects that are external effects, you can come in here and search for video effects and click on search. If I go into graphics, you can see all those effects you can add to your video. If you want to add this effect, it will lay on top of the video and you can pull it and stretch it all over your video in the element timeline like so, and also spread the effects how you want it to appear in your design. If you have a particular type of effect in mind, you can just search it out from here.